Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time stopping by, you're welcome. And to my amazing subscribers, you guys are really welcome. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for liking and sharing. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the basic things you need to know as a beginner in this hair ventilating skill. There are equipment, there are things needed to start ventilating as a beginner, and I think you all should know. First, you need your Swiss lace. A lace like this is not stretchy. You need a Swiss lace. When you walk into a store where they sell hair stuffs, you tell them you need a Swiss lace. You can decide to buy the size you want. Then secondly, you need your mannequin. You can use mannequin, this type of mannequin that can be pierced using a needle, or you get a canvas head. You need your ventilating needle. There are different types of ventilating needle, and we have the wooden ventilating needle and the metallic ventilating needle. And ventilating needle is different from crochet pin. A crochet pin is different from ventilating needle. As you can see, the pin on this ventilating needle is really tiny, and we need it to pass through the Swiss lace and ventilate our hair. So to get that natural hairline, to get that neat ventilation, you need a ventilating needle, not a crochet pin. After then, you need your comb. You need a picking comb. You can either get a small comb or a tail comb. For combing your hair before ventilating, the hair you'll be working with, or your attachment or your weave on, you need a comb. Next, you need a scissors. You need a pair of scissors for cutting your hair, for cutting the Swiss lace to the size you want. Then after getting your scissors, you need your hair. You can decide to work with any hair of your choice. You can decide to work with an attachment. You can decide to work with a weave-on. You can work with a synthetic hair or 100% human hair. But as a beginner, I will recommend you using an attachment to ventilate. If you can master the art of using attachment to ventilate, you won't find it difficult to use 100% human hair. But if you are a beginner and you start with a human hair, you might end up wasting that human hair, or might end up not ventilating correctly. But with attachment, which is less expensive, the last but not the least, you need your T-pins. You can use this type of pin on the screen. These table pins, you should not use it because it can easily rip off your Swiss lace. So you need those tiny pins that tailors do use. You need those pins that are really tiny so that it won't rip off your Swiss lace. If you've watched to the end of this video and you find it really helpful, do well to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and also share these videos.